What's up, guys? I'm out here at night about to turn my car lights on to drain my battery overnight for you guys. I know that is not good for my battery. In fact, it's bad for my battery, but it's only happened once before, so hopefully twice, won't make too much of a difference. The reason I'm doing this is because I recommended this Arteck car jump starter, and I want to make sure that I don't recommend anything to you guys that actually doesn't work. So in the morning, we're going to come out, the car battery is going to be dead, and we're going to make sure this is nice and charged up, and we're going to give it a try. I do this in the name of the Rated R Cars family. All right, so I did actually manage to kill the battery. One more time. All right, that's what a dead battery looks like. So hopefully this car jump starter works. We're about to find out. Here we go. And these are very easy to drop in the engine. Almost dropped it again. Ah, boy. Guys, I try not to curse sometimes. I was just laying these down, and the nut and bolt that secures this dropped into the engine again. No! Again. No! Anyway. Plugging in the Arteck, 100% charged. All right, so plugging that in, the car is activated here. Let's try to start. Arteck car jump starter. Rated R Cars recommends. Good stuff. Tripping over my X-pipe there. Got the Corsa. We're gonna get that installed over the next couple of weeks. So we saw that the Arteck car charger, for which I made a review a couple of weeks ago, actually works. I find that to be awesome. The reason I find that to be awesome is because, first of all, it works and that's great. But the Ford's roadside assist unit that they started to use, if you go back and see the video itself, was probably, I want to say, a good 20 times the size of this, maybe more, and they couldn't start my car. So that says a lot for this Arteck unit. It's big enough to fit in literally the palm of my hand. Go back and look at that video. I'll actually put an image of that here.
This is the big ones that go up to 12 to 1500 amps.
Okay.
So these jump 8, 10, and almost up to 12 cylinders.
Wow. Okay.
All I need you to do is just turn the key.
Just start it?
Yeah.
Okay. Oh.
Do it again.
That thing was huge and it couldn't even start the car. This little tiny guy started the car. It used up 10% of the battery, so you're at 90% now. But that's starting a 5.2 liter V8 Voodoo engine. So super impressed with this. I can't recommend it enough. I'm gonna keep this thing in my car at all times just in case anything bad ever happens. I don't know about you guys, but I'm always concerned with if there's an extra, pillow in my car. I don't want to have that extra weight, especially since your boy weighs over 215 pounds. We're going on a diet soon. Yeah, happy spring to you guys. Look at the lovely trees. God's beautiful work of art. All right, guys, hopefully these two dead battery incidents didn't do any damage to the car. But I'm putting this in reverse, and I've got no camera. I hope nothing got fried, but I don't know what would cause that. You don't know how much we depend on these things. It used to be when I saw the backup camera, I was like, what? Who needs a backup camera? Now I'm like totally lost trying to back up without the camera. So it's not just the backup camera system. It appears to be the whole console here. Seat heater works, seat cooler works, AC works, thank God. And it's not just the screen because there's no radio coming on either. Great. What's up? Okay, so I was going to the gas station during a lunch break today to get some E85, and I was planning on checking the fuse box, and I wanted to shift into reverse, and suddenly my camera was back on. So the system's all back on, the radio's working. I don't know why it wasn't working this morning. I don't know if me plugging my Android phone into it had anything to do with it. Not sure. But I didn't blow a fuse then, so that's good. Didn't fry any circuitry that I know of, so that's good. So I'm glad that I did not destroy the Shelby, although I probably deteriorated my battery a little bit more. But I heard that there's a nice lighter battery out there. Guys, have you heard of that? It saves like, I don't know, 10 pounds or something like that. That's awesome. But anyway, always remember the motto. Always be kinder than necessary. And no matter what you do, always go flat out.